Across the USA, local businesses are losing thousands every day because their landing pages are broken. I charge $150 an hour to fix them, and I will show you how. From restaurants to gyms to dentists, businesses in the USA spend big on ads, but when customers click, the page loads slow, buttons don't work, or the design looks outdated. That's wasted money, and that's where I step in. I audit their landing page, speed, mobile responsiveness, and call to action clarity. Then I rebuild or tweak it using tools like WordPress, Elementor, or custom HTML. The result? Pages that convert 2 to 3 times more leads. USA businesses happily pay me $150 per hour because every fix brings them real customers. Just last month, I helped a local USA gym fix their sign-up page. Within a week, they doubled their trial memberships. That's why this skill is so valuable. It directly impacts their bottom line. If you want to learn how to turn broken landing pages into $150 per hour opportunities in the USA, subscribe now. I will share more step-by-step strategies to help you build a profitable service business.